Hello everyone. Now I'm Saddlebags 73 from the beautiful sunny Cornwall in the UK. But today you're fortunate enough to be watching New Biker with the occasional sprinkles of the Ilford Stig.
Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And finally, a gateway with a view. Some geese over there, some exercisers over there. This is Fellow Water, near to where I live. Now today, I want to introduce you to my new bike. Now as you know, I've been looking and thinking about getting a second bike to tackle the London commute and relieve Frankie, my Kawasaki Z1000SX, of her daily duties as a commuter. And I've tried an electric scooter, I've ridden some different bikes, I've given it a lot of thought. I am a very reluctant buyer, and I finally made up my mind. So finally here to review to you. Welcome to the channel, to this little beauty. Everybody, meet Waynetta, new Royal Enfield Himalayan, and welcome her to the channel. And what a beauty she is. This is the first bike I have ever bought brand new. Let's take her out for a ride and explain my decision here. Let's also talk about some of the things I've had done. I've had the battery cable installed. A battery tender cable installed. I've had these beautiful spotlights and engine bars installed as well for extra protection and visibility. I'm still waiting for some pyramid parts to go on the front mudguard, and also a rear hugger to go over there. I've had the hand guards and heated grips installed. Here's the switch for the spotlights. Oh, and I did buy this second-hand GPS mount of my good friend Mr. Saddlebags 73, because he no longer wanted it for the witch. So here she is on Waynetta. It lives on, and obviously a top box. It's a commuter bike, so it's going to need a top box. So without much further ado or adieu or whatever, let's take it out for a spin. Like I said, she's only got 106 miles done now, and 94 of those were commuting. The rest was when I filmed the first version of this video, for which there was no sound. So yeah, as I said, this is it's Saturday now. Saturday morning I came out here just to film this video. I've had it since Tuesday, the 1st of February, which is when my MCE replacement insurance policy kicked in from the lovely guys at Bike Shore. So new insurance policy and new bike on the same day, and I've commuted on her for the rest of the week already. She's doing a stellar job. Just the two for the job, a bit narrower than Frankie, lighter, easier to maneuver, bit of a taller seating position, so better vision, and the spotlights make her more visible as well. So all in all, happy with my decision. I think I've done the right thing here. So why go with the Royal Enfield Himalayan? Well, my thinking is this is a bike that will be very good for the commute, but can also do other things. It has a great range. Like I said, she's done 170 miles so far on the first full tank, and it's not even half used. So if this was Frankie, I would have had to be filling her up again. I've no idea what the fuel economy is so far, but we'll see. But the other thing that she can do that the electric scooter definitely couldn't do would be to take me to do some green laning. So looking forward to doing that sometime this year, hopefully when it's a little bit drier, at least to get me started. I'm sure it will get muddy at some point, muddy and wet and cold and slippery like Hippodromes likes. So yeah, that's the plan. We'll see how it comes to fruition in reality. The idea is this will be my daily and the green laning bike, and Frankie will continue to be my weekend bike, longer trips, faster roads. There really isn't any more that you need from a power perspective than what this has for, you know, negotiating central London. So yeah, as I was saying, it's a pretty good commuter. It negotiates the city traffic and the filtering very well, and it also has the capability of letting me do something different, some country green laning. So guys, I hope you stick around on the channel. You'll be seeing quite a bit more of Waynetta here, but don't worry, Frankie isn't going anywhere. She's staying on the channel, she's staying in the garage. The two have made their acquaintance and getting along fine. I've heard no fights in the garage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be reviewing some more of my modifications in future videos. I'll be talking a little bit more about the Royal Enfield Himalayan, some things I want to do with it and on it and to it. So if you're not already a subscriber, please click that button, give us an interaction, a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and a comment would be great. You can also find me on social media. I'll put some links below, and I hope to be chatting with you in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.